From the middle of November and through December, I cut off any type of renting of a beach house for a line because Christmas is approaching. That is the time to begin organizing Christmas decorations, buying supplies for Christmas, and being involved in Christmas type activities. So when a friend called me and said that he was renting a beach house and that I should come up and spend the weekend, I said no. This is Christmas approaching. I am not getting involved in any weekend by a beach house. However, I agreed to come and spend one day liming with them at the beach house.
Yeah, my partners, Loquan, the Chinese fella, they staying, so I come up to line with them for the day. Alright, okay.
She went up by that side. Yeah, we're gonna explore the site.
Yeah. Where you cooking?
I'm cooking some chicken. This stove turned off.
Oh, what you cook?
Some Chinese food there.
Alright, and when the next spot?
The next spot it have some old cabbage.
Well, you ain't put enough cabbage?
No, it's nothing. It's just a little bit. In the end, it's only a taste, you know.
Oh.
The main thing is this one over on this side.
Oh, but what, rice?
You with rice.
Yeah.
What you want to eat?
But no, I ain't know.
You don't eat a big breakfast. You don't eat no
Well, we had a big breakfast this morning.
Yeah,
and the rice there. Right, let me go on.
Ham in the fridge.
And ham?
And
Ham
hot dog.
for breakfast.
But
they didn't wait for us to have breakfast.
no, them jokers.
So that 5 o'clock we go and sleep and still.
Well, we're sleeping. I up since 3:30.
Right. That thing there.
This area has a spectacular view.
Walking rice?
Do this.
Yeah. Don't do it. Then you have your song. Yeah. I see. Oh.
I can see where we are liming for the day because nothing can beat liming under a shade tree.
Three of them? You have 3 guard dogs to guard you underneath here?
There is a few. Hey, Brian. That dog has one eye black and one eye white.
Yeah.
Picture. Look at that.
Yeah.
You want this to settle, right?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, drinking.
But Christine, the last time I came up here, it didn't have so many houses and things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it being here brand new. But yeah.
And there's a place I want to carry you now down by the beach.
Uh-huh.
Where he built there so with he used bricks.
Uh-huh.
More or less it could bake and it could do number of things inside of it.
Oh, you make like a brick oven?
Beach, yeah.
Who did
yeah.
that?
Yeah, we did that.
Just
Right
they-
across, yeah.
is
Right
the owner?
across, yeah, he died. He lived there.
He lives here.
Yeah, he lives in that department there. His department.
Brian, you better.
Anaconda.
It's a long time in Trinidad. When they go by the urban thing, take the cow and thing, it's just a wheel.
You know
take
why?
it.
Rolling like
like
this,
a
it is
wheel.
rolling, and it's
There's a
rolling.
big green anaconda that rolling.
So when it's rolling and it's going long, so
Constricted,
yeah, it's constricting and taking
the
the
animal.
Angelo and then going along the road. Yeah.
The anaconda wheel.
Yeah. No, you know the funny thing? You know you spell that wheel? H-U-I-L-E, eh?
Well, I would have never known that.
Yeah, that's how you spell it. Although you pronounce it as wheel, it's a French. No, wheel is a French term.
The eight silent.
It's silent. H-U-I-L-E. That's how you spell
What's that
wheel.
French word for snake?
Yes, for the anaconda.
Oh, okay.
So it's a French word.
I thought it's
Yeah.
wheel because
It's a French
when
French
this,
snake.
Well,
I thought when the old people
but-
had anything going like that. So
No,
it's
because
not a wheel.
that is Trinidadian.
Okay, all right.
You know Trinidadians take everything and turn it wrong.
There is plenty to explore on this compound. But after eating lunch, the belly is full and alcohol is flowing. So I said no. As much as I would normally go and explore, no. I was quite happy to sit under the tree and relax with the breeze blowing
Look at that,
in,
look
and
at that,
I'm in
look
the
at that.
shade.
Just pause it.
But my friend
Look at that.
Christine,
Look at that.
she went
There you
off
go in.
exploring with Angelo.
No, no walk, no walk.
So the rest of this video is their footage of the exploration.
Walk up with it. So you have a better idea. And you come down track. Man.
Well, somebody has created a barbecue pit and oven on this section of the beach. So when you come here, you can have a real good time cooking and drinking. It was not the nicest of days to be at the beach because we kept getting periods of rain followed by sun, then rain again. But at least they got a period without rain when they could have gone off to explore. I see Angelo took advantage of the hammock.
It's on video, yeah, yeah.
Right, so,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
good. So we walking back up. Yep. So he will just edit what needs to be edited.
If he wants, we'll send it to him.
Yeah. Heading back out.
So this was the trail that I avoided going on because I wanted to stay and drink with the boys. It wasn't such a bad trail after all. Seems to be just about a 10-minute walk from the house down to the beach or back. Some of the puddles of water from the rain earlier this morning.
Soggy. But it's like a hiking. I know.
Nice.
Yeah,
Good walk.
Breathtaking, huh? Lovely scenery.
Yep, absolutely.
Fowls in the sky.
Cobras in the sky.
It's the fowls.
Cobras in the sky. All, all in the sky.
Lovely.
That's a nice piece of land here.
If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share the video.
You could invest.
Yeah. You have street lights and all that.
Yes.
Did you cover that?
He might have to cut it, edit it.
Why?
I don't know.
I think that's enough for him.
Very soon they're out and back among the housing area.
Neil, you don't want to go in the bush at all. They are bad. Look at that, the family right there already.
Right. And safety. People want security in the area.
But see, the thing is, around here is nothing to be worried about. Who's will come and disturb you here? There's not many people around.
No.
You have to drive to come here to do what, if you want to do any illegal, say, criminal act. But there's nobody around here.
Nope. That's why that 24 security on the property. And
But they
cameras. They stole a lot of cameras.
Yeah, you can see they have
safeties.
cameras. For somebody to come and rob here, you have to come from outside. You have to plan to come here. Right now, that guy won't take this. Right is not like a before, you know, he really gets tight fast. Serious. Before I remember we used to go in the bush, in the forest and walk now.
After one time, it's two times, eh?
All in all, this was not a bad one-day beach house line, even with the rain that fell periodically during the day.
Right. Yeah, all right.
But the land well maintained though.
Yes.
It's not bad.
When you're out there all the clear and the dust down. All right. In the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, the pussies.
Yeah. Under the tree.
If you want to see other videos of outdoor activities in Trinidad, select one of the videos that is appearing on your screen now.
But that, hold on, that same crew, but not all of it. Part of that crew is who we end up with down in